Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new, kindly consider subscribing, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always checking out my channel. Please don't forget to like, comment and share. So recently I was going through my old pictures and I saw a picture of my friend and I back in the day, like 2018, 2019-ish, and I was putting on makeup. I had a smoky eye look on. I was like, wow, it's been such a long time. I had very bold makeup look on and I just decided to try it out. So just watch as I do the makeup. I might talk about random things in between, but let's just see how it goes. So I first did my brows. Doing my brows is usually like nothing serious for me because I don't really like a very bold brow look. So after doing my brows a little, I went ahead with this foundation. This foundation is the bomb. I know I always say it. I just hope I'm able to buy it whenever this finishes. And it's actually big. So I just use the foundation and ignore my foundation bottle. It looks messy, but just concentrate on the video. So I use the foundation and I'm using it on my face. I use as little as possible and you can see how seamlessly it blended. So this is me using the pump to apply a little bit more on my face and I'll just go ahead and blend that out. So away from that, I'm going to ask this question and I need you guys to engage in the comment section. At what point do you feel it's okay to not give people second chances? So usually I watch a lot of true crime stories and serial killer documentaries and all of that. So there's this one I watched recently and it was about a child that killed someone when he was young, I think like 8 years old-ish. He was put in detention, maybe like juvenile, whatever. And I think at the age of 21, he was granted freedom or parole, whatever. So do you know that this guy still went ahead to commit another crime? I think he also killed someone again, and he had to be taken back to jail. I think he had good behavior. He always had good behaviors in prison, right? That's why he kept coming out. He came out again and he committed another crime. I think that was the one that made him to now be sentenced to life imprisonment. So sometimes when you give people second chances, if that's who they are, they will keep doing that same thing that made you upset in the first place, or they will keep doing that thing that got you hurt in the first place, and you just realize that you're just running around in circle. You forgive them, and they keep doing that same thing, and you guys keep going back and forth and all of that. So I don't know. At what point do you realize that this is the kind of person who does not make use of second chances and the person just keeps doing things that make you guys keep running around in circles or going back and forth? So back to the makeup video. I used concealers under my eyes and literally places where light fall on, and I went ahead to blend that with my brush. And next thing, I used a little bit of blush. Is this even a little bit? Now, I'm just looking at how cute this makeup can be, even without the eyeshadow. It's just so subtle and cute and nice, right? But I'll go ahead to use my setting powder to set under my eyes. I'm just using a very little quantity of that to set my eyes. I've had this powder for a very long time. My sister gifted it to me a long time ago, and I'm still using it. So next thing, I'm going in with my black eyeshadow. I can't remember the last time I put black eyeshadow on my eyes, but I'm going to do that today. Or I did that on the particular day I filmed this video. So this is me using a little bit of black eyeshadow. Is this even a little bit? So I'm just using black eyeshadow, and I was acting like I was scared. For reasons I don't know, I was even smiling somehow because I mean it's kind of nostalgic and it's not my current style, but it's not bad. It doesn't look bad. I was just checking myself out. Should I continue with this or should I just stop at this point? I went ahead to brush my brows again to make sure that my brows are a little bit bold because my eyelid are already too bold. So I just used my brow gel to make it more bold. Then I went ahead to line my lips. So here I'm lining my lips with my eye pencil, and I just like this nails I had on here. I'm such a cute baby girl. So this is me lining my lips. So I'm going to use a little bit of pink pigment to go over my lips, and this is the final look. This is so bold. This looks like I'm going for a dinner event or I'm going for a wedding party. This is so bold, but I don't hate it. I like it because it's different from what I normally wear. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share. If you're new to my channel, kindly consider subscribing. See you on my next video. Ciao.